This is not medical advice. This is testimony of what I've come to understand up until this point in my life regarding mankind's vessel and its workings. If you are seeking medical help or advice, please consult your local allopathic practitioner. If this information resonates, please do your own research to confirm anything you see here. Your body consists of three components: cells, blood fluid, and lymphatic fluid. Cells. Every cell that makes up your body needs three things to operate: gases, sunlight, and glycogen. These elements come from water, air, sunlight, fruit, vegetation, and breast milk. Glucose, fructose from fruit, galactose from breast milk. Blood fluid. This fluid represents only 1/4 of your body's interstitial fluid. The purpose of blood is to deliver beneficial chemistry, like oxygen and glycogen, to the cells via the circulatory system. The blood delivery system is representative of your body's kitchen. Lymphatic fluid. This clear mucosa fluid represents 3/4 of your body's interstitial fluid. The purpose of lymphatic fluid is to remove cell waste and harmful chemistry from your body. It also houses immune cells as protection. The lymphatic system is representative of your body's sanitation system. The chemical spectrum. The two sides of chemistry consist of alkali chemistry, representative of the constructive force, and acid chemistry, representative of the destructive force. All elements fall within this spectrum. Your body thrives in an alkaline environment and decays in an acidic one. Your lymphatic system at work. Lymph fluid carries waste through the lymph vessels into the lymph nodes for processing. Lymph nodes are hundreds of pocket-like area around your body that hold immune cells for protection and bacteria for the breakdown of cell waste and acids. Your tonsils are two of these pockets. After waste is processed by the lymph nodes, the less acidified waste travels to the adrenal glands that sit atop the two kidneys, then to the two kidneys for further processing. After the kidneys, what's left of the waste go out through the third kidney of the body, the skin, and then through the colon and urinary tract. Why sickness occurs. When your body takes on too many acids through acidic food and drink, a backup of the lymphatic sanitation system occurs. The body at this point cannot remove cell waste and acids through the lymphatic chain efficiently. When there's a backup, pain and swelling occur, known as inflammation. Your body expels mucus through the nose and mouth in an attempt to reduce acidity and expel cell waste. Sneezing and coughing is not something that should be suppressed, but encouraged. It's your body's way of letting you know that you're acidic. Mucus, a defense function of the lymphatic system, serves to protect cell waste from acid. When your body is in acidic state, the overabundance of acid causes the lymphatic fluid to harden over time, known as tumors and cysts, and causes the body systems to dry out. In an attempt to combat the drying out of fluids, the body tries to save itself by stealing from its own structure. It leaches calcium and an acid from itself to combat the acidity. Leaching of calcium over time causes a variety of symptoms: osteoporosis, heart failure, muscle cramps, fatigue, seizures, psoriasis, and cataracts, to name a few. When the kidneys are not processing waste, it means that there's a blockage at either the adrenal glands and or at the lymph node level. When there's a blockage, your body tries to clean itself as much as it can through the skin. These acidic wastes are commonly known as sores, rashes, acne, lesions, dandruff, etc. Your skin needs to breathe for it to properly eliminate waste. It will absorb what you apply to it. Rule of thumb is, if you can't eat it, neither should your skin. Bacteria, viruses, and fungi are always present in your body. However, your immune system keeps them at bay until your body becomes overly acidic. Funguses and viruses thrive in acidic environments. Viruses and funguses aren't inherently bad. They are simply nature's way of breaking down things that are in decay. When you are acidic, your body is in a state of decay. So-called diseases are your body's way of letting you know that it's in an acidic state and that its lymphatic system is blocked. The allopathic system. The allopathic system, also known as a Western or modern medical system, does not recognize the above role of the lymphatic system. They assert that waste is carried out by the blood, not the lymphatic system. In their eyes, the kitchen is the bathroom. Based on germ theory, allopathy suggests that uncontrollable outside forces produce diseases. Louis Pasteur, who came up with the theory, confessed on his deathbed that his rival, Béchamp, was actually correct. Diseases come from within the body's internal environment. If your internal environment is alkaline and in harmony with nature, viruses and bacteria, which are always present in the body, cannot take over and proliferate. The allopathic system does not believe in cures because it cannot cure. In reality, diseases is a made-up term. Diseases do not exist in reality. Only symptoms of acidification exist. Allopathy only treats these symptoms. They do not address the causative effects that lead to the symptoms. They treat symptoms by either cutting the symptom out with a scalpel or feeding the body artificial acidic toxins, medicines. These chemicals silence one symptom in exchange for other symptoms that your body then has to deal with. It is a never-ending cycle. Distilled water. Distilled simply means pure. Rainwater is distilled water. The allopathic system tries to demonize distilled water by claiming that it leaches minerals from the body. However, this is only partially correct. Distilled water only leaches inorganic minerals, minerals that cannot be assimilated by the body. Distilled water, being negatively charged, picks up positively charged inorganic minerals that obstruct the body. Distilled water cleans and hydrates. Tap water, spring water, artesian water, mineral water, filtered water, all contain traces of inorganic minerals, some more than others. These inorganic minerals clog your body's processes and pathways, and ultimately your life force. Clean air. Breathing is the body's most essential function. If this process stops for more than a few minutes, your body experiences elevated levels of carbon dioxide, and if oxygen isn't quickly reintroduced, complete acidosis, death, occurs. The cleaner the air, the more oxygen your body is receiving to regenerate itself. Proper ventilation, especially during times of sleep, is essential for health. Most colds occur during the winter months, not because of some newly discovered hippopotamus flu, but because of inadequate ventilation. Too much carbon dioxide, which becomes acidic in the body. When you experience symptoms of a cold or fever, the best thing to do is to rest in a ventilated room and avoid ingesting anything but pure water and the occasional fruit. This will allow your body to realkalize. Cold syrups and other medicines only add additional roadblocks for your body to deal with. Reaching pristine health. When the body is in an acidic state due to overeating of animal flesh, fluids, uric and lactic acids, grains, legumes, nuts, phytic acids, heavy vegetables, starch acids, dirty water, and acidic chemicals, fruits and pure water help bring the body back to alkalinity. When there is no acidification, the body is able to carry out its functions normally. Your body is a self-replicating, self-healing, self-communicating vessel that does not run on a clock or a calendar. All of your body's cells regenerate every 7 years. None of them are older than 7. Our bodies don't break down due to old age. They break down because of the abuse they endure and the thoughts they are programmed with. Thoughts are very powerful. Study the placebo-nocebo effect.